Hello viewers, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to Indian regional recipes. Today's recipe is South Indian style ivy gourd with coconut. We will need about half a kg of ivy gourd, washed, clean and cut into long pieces as I showed in the video. Spread them on a clean cloth to remove excess moisture. Heat oil in a kadai and fry the ivy gourd pieces in 2 to 3 batches until they are like 70-80% cooked. Remove them from the oil and set aside. Now let's see how to prepare coconut masala for the recipe. I'm here taking around half a coconut, cut into pieces. You can even take coconut scrapped coconut I mean. I'm adding around 8 to 9 garlic cloves, 4 to 5 sambar onions or shallots cut into small pieces, and some sesame seeds. These are roasted sesame seeds. I always keep them handy. You can add the raw just without roasting them. And half a tablespoon cumins, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder. Here we are not going to use any other spices like green chilies etc. Hence I'm here adding around 1.5 to 2 tablespoon red chili powder, 4 to 5 curry leaves and some coriander powder. Take all these ingredients in a mixer jar. Mix it well, like you have to get it to a grainy texture. Don't make it a paste consistency something. It has to be grainy. So now in the same kadai where we fried the ivy gourd, just remove the excess oil. Take 1 or 2 tablespoons oil. Let's do the tempering. For the tempering, I'm adding here some mustard seeds, cumins, some chana dal and some peanuts and some dried chilies and some curry leaves. Now this is completely depend on you. If you don't like peanuts, you can skip them. This is properly, I'm making it as a South Indian recipe, hence I'm using all those ingredients. Just saute it for 2 minutes and then add the coconut mixture paste to the tempering. Mix it well just for 2 minutes and then add all the ivy gourd pieces, the fried ivy gourd pieces. Mix well and saute for another 5 to 7 minutes. That's it guys. This dish is now ready to serve with rice, chapati, puri or your preferred accompaniment, whatever you want. I hope you guys are finding this video useful guys. Then please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get latest updates. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.